Hi, today we're getting stuck into the first video in a series of videos all about content creation. Originally we're going to be discussing blog posts, niche websites, but then we will move on to other avenues of content creation. So firstly, when creating a blog site, the most important thing to come up with is what you're going to be writing about, what topic. Now it is quite important to find something you enjoy doing, because blog posts, they do take some time, they do take some effort, and if you've got a passion or an interest in what you're writing about, it does make it far easier. So here is a quick prompt I give to ChatGPT to help me with my niche ideas. Hi Chat, I'm looking at starting a new blog niche website. I have interest in swimming, motorbikes, and I'm also a bit of a nerd when it comes to my lawn care. Can you suggest some niche ideas, preferably niches that are not overly saturated and that I should be able to monetize with ease? So here we go. We've got a bit of a mixture of motorbikes, pools, lawn care. Let's see. Urban gardening, eco-friendly. Motorbikes probably I instantly will write off because that would be video heavy, doing tutorials and things, which I'm not really that interested in doing. I guess motorcycle touring could be good. Smart lawn care for busy homeowners and pool maintenance, they're really standing out to me. So here we get told monetization, affiliate marketing for lawn care tools, smart devices, sponsored posts, and digital products like ebooks or online courses. That definitely works. You don't always want physical products. Sometimes it is nice to be able to sell things digitally. Makes it a lot easier than people buying physical products and having to do shipping. Affiliate sales, so it's going to be the same thing. Water test kits, bits and pieces, online course, pool care. So that probably neither one will have the greatest amount of digital products we can sell. Also swimming pools, that's more seasonal than lawn care. Swimming pools get shut down for 6 to 8 months of the year. Lawns, they do slow down growing, but there's always something to do outside. So I think I am quite interested in this one. So now we just tell Chat, I think I like the lawn care aspect. Low maintenance lawns for busy homeowners, sustainable lawn care. So the low maintenance, I would assume that also would be able to cover smart lawn care quite easily, due to the fact that smart lawn care can equal low maintenance. That is definitely something people are going to be looking into in the future. Pet friendly, not that big. Urban lawn care for all small spaces. I think I'm going with that one. So now, low maintenance lawns for busy homeowners. Here is the niche I would actually quite enjoy writing about. So we will copy that. Actually, let's see this. Now, we've chosen one of our niche ideas. What we want to find out next is, where are we going to be able to get traffic? And is it too competitive? So here's the next prompt. Which area do you think would have the best audience but isn't highly competitive? The low maintenance lawns for busy homeowners niche stands out. Beautiful. Diverse audience, strong. Well, that's what we like to hear. Room for expansion, definitely. There's a lot of topics that could come under that umbrella, which is something you'll see later on. So there we have it, pretty much. I think that has nailed it down for me with the low maintenance lawns for busy homeowners. That is something I could actually consider writing about myself personally. But the next thing is, we need to find out if there is potential to write, I would say 200 blog posts realistically is what we need. So let's just feed this to Chat and see what it has to say. If your goal is to write at least 200 articles without a creative wall, it's essential to ensure your niche has plenty of room. Here's a breakdown of how content, ideas, 200 articles. Yeah, this is fantastic. Unlimited potential. And another good thing, I've worked in the food niches before, and they are a pain in the backside because you need photos of real food and you don't want them to be photos that everyone else is using. Trying to get photos of just grass, outdoors, a lawnmower mowing grass, things that you can do that yourself, take your own photos, but you've got an unlimited supply of images online for that. We know we've got the content potential to do it. We've got a growing niche, an expanding niche, not overly competitive, strong monetization, and room for content expansion. So that is fantastic. If you want to follow these prompts with a little bit more detail, I will add a pinned comment with a PDF you can download, and pretty much it'll give you these steps as an action plan. Alrighty, thanks for listening, guys. Have a good one.